Introducing the 2025 JLG 1255 Telehandler Forklift, brought to you by Aerial Titans. Our most powerful lift solution yet, designed for heavy-duty performance and total reliability. With a 12,000-pound lift capacity and a maximum lift height of 55 feet, the 1255 handles your toughest jobs with ease. Its 42-foot forward reach ensures materials are placed exactly where needed. Powered by a 130 horsepower Cummins QSF 3.8-liter turbo diesel engine, this telehandler delivers the torque and reliability required for demanding tasks. Operator comfort is paramount. This spacious cab features an intuitive single joystick, integrated armrest, and optional HVAC system, ensuring productivity in all conditions. Navigate challenging terrain with 3 steering modes: 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and crab steering. The Stable Track rear axle stabilization system and optional ride control enhance load stability and operator confidence. The 1255's versatility is unmatched. Quickly adapt to changing job site demands with a full suite of JLG approved attachments. From truss booms, work platforms, and material buckets to advanced hydraulic tools like the side tilt carriage, side shift carriage, pipe grapple, and tower mast, adding up to 8 feet of additional lift height. With JLG's Quick Connect system, you can swap attachments fast and keep crews moving, maximizing uptime with fewer delays. Safety is integrated with features like an optional reversing camera, reverse sensing system, and a standard LED motion amber beacon. Clear Sky Smart Fleet connectivity keeps you informed with real-time machine data. Built in the USA and backed by JLG's commitment to quality, the 2025 JLG 1255 Telehandler is ready to elevate your operations. Contact Aerial Titans today to reserve yours.